I was just scrolling through YouTube Shorts when I saw a video of somebody making a real life network ingot. But then I thought, what if you made a real life resin ingot? So that's what we're gonna do today. I made a few things that I want to know about resin in Minecraft. So let's get started. There are a few things that I want to find out about the resin cube in real life. First, I want to know what the weight is of a cubic meter of a resin block in real life. Then I'm going to look how much it will be worth. Then we're gonna look if it's really easy to break it, just like in Minecraft. And then we're gonna see how fast you can produce resin in Minecraft. So my plan for the resin block is to go to a few trees and scrape all the resin off their bark, and then just smash it into your cube. For that, I needed to go outside, and after touching some grass for my mental health, I found a lot of resin. And after finding this black stuff, I smashed all the resin into a cube, and after minutes of smashing, it finally worked. So now we got the resin, we need to calculate how big a cubic meter of resin is, because that was just 1 cubic centimeters. And after calculating it, it came to a grand total of 12,000 kilos. So that's step 1 completed. Now let's begin with the second step.
And after joining the Dorit SMP, I found out that you can buy a resin cube for $35,000 on the auction house. And after searching in real life a few websites, we can see that 1 cubic meter of resin in real life comes to a grand total of $6,000. So that's the answer for the second step. Now moving on to the third step. If you're so far in this video, it means you like the video a lot. So if you want, you can like and subscribe because I put a lot of effort into this video. But let's get back to the video. So for the third step, I wanted to see how durable resin is. Because you can see here that resin in Minecraft is really easy to break. But how does it work in real life? And after picking up my resin cube and a hammer, I smashed it and it shattered instantly. So that means it's just exactly as in Minecraft. Moving on to the fourth and final step, I want to see how fast you could produce resin in Minecraft and how it would look like if you did that in real life. And after finding this farm from Crafter Aurora, which uses crystals to hit the creepings, then the resin spawns on logs which get pushed by pistons, it makes a staggering amount of 1.6 million resin for every hour you use it. To put that in perspective, it's 8 times as much Amazon packages delivered every second. And after doing some calculations, I came to a grand total of around $30 million of resin that's being produced every hour when this farm is active. So now you know the answer to all those 4 questions. Bye!